Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to give a review and tour of the Explorer Cabins in West Yellowstone, which is in Montana. It's owned by Grey Wolf Inn & Suites, which is right next door. If you guys are looking for something rustic, I apologize, but it's definitely not. As you can see, the cabins are on the right and the hotel chain is on the left in this video. This is where you park to get to your cabin. As you can see, as you go into like the area that this hotel and cabins are in, McDonald's is literally right there. So if you are wanting something rustic, you are mistaken. McDonald's is 2 blocks down, but overall we absolutely love the little cabin. So I'm going to give you a tour of it. You'll go into the Grey Inn Wolf Inn Suites to get your keys, and then once you get your keys, you can go in and you'll see that there is a sofa, the pull-out sofa that fits 2 people. There's a little kitchenette that includes like a stove, and then also like a dishwashing machine, coffee machine. On the left is a fireplace. They also give you s'more makings, and you'll see a fire pit outside of the cabin, and I'll show you that here in a little bit. As you walk in, there's TV dinner trays that you can use, and then the first room is bunk beds. So you'll have a full-size bunk bed at the bottom, which fit 2 of my kids who are ages 8 and 10, and at the top 1 kid. And then you can see that that is a closet. There is no air conditioning at all. For most of Yellowstone hotels, I didn't see any AC or units that had AC. This is the bathroom, this single bathroom. It has a single hole, and then you've got a shower with the amenities for shampoo and body wash that are needed. There's another door to get out, and then also you get a king-size bed. They give you this plush bear, but you have to pay $26 for it, so it's extra. So if you don't want that, go ahead and hide it from your kids. They have a TV in here as well, which is great, and there's a TV also in the living room. The internet works wonderfully. You can't say the same for some of the hotels that are in Yellowstone National Park, but overall we absolutely love to stay. And I'll give you some bonus tips as well. You can use the pool that is at Grey Wolf Inn & Suites. It's right across from a wolf sanctuary, so if you go out early in the morning, you might be able to hear the wolves howl like we did. Breakfast is not included, FYI. Even though the breakfast is included for people who stay at the main hotel, it is not included for people who are staying in the Explorer cabins. We paid about $675 per night to stay in this cabin, which is a little bit on the high side, especially for one night. This is the fire pit. They give you marshmallows and s'mores, marshmallows and graham crackers and chocolate to make the s'mores if you want to do that with your kids at night. And then bonus tip, we went to the Running Bear Pancake House. Absolutely delicious, great breakfast. Just know that if you're getting a late start, you might face some lines at the Yellowstone National Park gates, so just FYI. And my last tip is if you're staying in West Yellowstone, Wild West Pizzeria is absolutely delicious. Like, the pizza was phenomenal, the presentation was phenomenal. You might have to wait, but they give you a little like ticket thing, and they can text you when you are ready to be seated. So there you have it. That is my review of Explorer Cabins in West Yellowstone, Montana. If you guys have any other questions, check out my other Yellowstone videos to hear those tips and tricks for families that are traveling with little kids. Thanks guys, talk soon.